Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I am going to discussing about one more large language model called Gemini, developed by Google. Same like other large language models, Gemini also generate text and it rewrite content. It generate creative writing, generates answer questions. It generate translate languages, classify text, and it write codes also. No need to test again. But the importance of Google Gemini is when we are working with a Google ecosystem, Gemini AI helps us more. For example, when we are working with a YouTube, I have a 3 hours of YouTube video. I need to summarize the content from the video. For that, I am using Google Gemini. See, just this is the YouTube video link I am using to summarize the content. Summarize above video into 3 bullet points. See, this is the 3 hours YouTube video. I am asking to summarize the video. So YouTube is a Google ecosystem product. So here I am using within the Gemini. So it's summarized into 3 points. So even you can do this by using chatgpt and Colab AI and any other large language models also. But when you are working with within the same ecosystem products, Gemini AI helps much better than other large language models. For example, chatgpt have API key, but here the Gemini AI don't have that API key. For that, Gemini developed a chatbot called Google AI Studio. So by using Google AI Studio also, we can generate text, code, everything like other large language models. Let's see. Ask something. Write a short story on fish and water. See, enter. So it's generating the text like other large language models. Google AI Studio developed by Google Gemini. Here we have an option to get API key. Especially for the developers who are working with the programming, they were able to work with API key. On the right side, it is mentioned their models. So left side we have a features of Google AI Studio. You can use them. The purpose of Google AI Studio is when you are working with a code, like for example, if you are working with a Python programming language to build your own AI model, you are working with a Python programming language. For that, by using this API key, you can integrate this API key into your programming file. For example, I am writing a small programming. For that, I am using Google Colab, which is within the Google ecosystem. Google developed a notebook to write coding that is called Google Colab. Without installing, without downloading, you can able to write code. See, Google Colab. By using Google Colab, you can write code without installing and without downloading. create notebook. The files stored within the Google Drive. Just you need to log in with your Gmail account. Here the concept is Google ecosystem is very big. When you are working within the Google ecosystem products, Gemini AI helps you to work better, to work faster. See here, it is a Google Colab. Just we need to connect with the local RAM. Once it's connected, you can able to write the code. Even you can write Python code, but the files should be stored within the Google Drive. Let's try to write some code like x equal to 7 and y equal to 8. Print x plus y, shift enter. See, the result should like 15. So likewise you can write the programming language by using Google Colab. Even if you don't know how to write the code, Gemini AI helps you to write the code. Let's see how it is. Just click on generate with AI. Type the requirement, like just write code for about for loops in Python. Generate. So the Gemini AI generates the code according to your requirement. Now you can able to run this code directly with click on run button. See, the code successfully printed the results. So without writing code, Gemini AI helps you to generate the code. So when you are working with the same ecosystem, Gemini AI helps you make your work fast and easier. Even if you have advanced version of Gemini AI, you can integrate with your Gmail account to generate the content to your emails, and also that helps you to give reply to a mail. Like meanwhile, Gemini AI helps you to make your work easier and faster when you are working with the same ecosystem. Let's see how this API key integrated with this notebook. Just by using Google AI Studio, create API key. Even you can able to create API key without any subscriptions. Just create API key, select a project and copy this API key and integrate into your Google Colab. May the developers know all these things. Those who don't know about the coding, just kept aside. Understand the concept. Most of the time we are working with the Google and its ecosystem products like Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Slides. At that time, Gemini AI helps you make your work easier and fast. This is all about Google and Gemini AI. Let's move on to next.